My name is Jeremy. I'm a pest control operator and an Inzecto ambassador.
Subterranean termites don't move in straight lines. They forage, they tunnel, and they find their own path to your structure. HydroTrail is a termite directing technology that changes that. By mimicking their natural pheromones, it guides foraging termites toward stations before they cause damage. For HydroTrail to work effectively, the mixture needs to reach the depth where termites tunnel at the right concentration and the right volume. Here are the 5 simple steps to get you there. Step 1. Measure the treatment area in linear feet. Before opening the product, measure the length of the treatment line.
Measuring accurately is important for everything that comes next.
When calculating the perimeter, draw an imaginary line to connect the stations so HydroTrail can guide termites straight to them. Step 2. Calculate the right product mix. To determine the right product mix, use this simple formula. For every 100 linear feet to be treated, mix 2 gallons of water and 160 milliliters of HydroTrail in your sprayer. Step 3. Mix. HydroTrail and water are both clear, so there's no visual way to confirm the mixture is ready. Insert the spray nozzle into the tank. Activate and recirculate for a full minute before you start your application. This ensures every linear foot gets the right concentration. Step 4. Application. Rushing this step is the most common application error and will reduce product effectiveness.
You're going to maintain a slow and steady pace and a consistent wand height.
Step 5. Check and correct. Be aware of the 2 most common mistakes. Too slow, and the liquid pools on the surface instead of absorbing. Too fast, and each linear foot isn't getting enough product.
So if you still have product left, that means you walk too fast and didn't put it down heavy enough.
If that happens, retrace your steps and retreat until it's gone. Return to the undertreated section and reapply the remaining product following the same treatment line until the backpack is empty. To summarize, measure, calculate, mix, apply slowly, and check and correct. Following these 5 steps correctly ensures HydroTrail performs as intended, protecting the treatment area and maximizing bait station activity.